Here we are again talking about farm animals. And you remember we have talked about farm animals, and you remember the prepositions of place. Prepositions of place. And I'll show you what the prepositions are for you. Of course, we're going to play a little bit. Right. This is a mouse. Yes, this is a mouse. Computer mouse, not a real animal. You know, right? Nothing new. And this is a tablet. Now, pay attention to the positions, right? First of all, the mouse is under the tablet. Under the tablet. Under the tablet. Say with me. The mouse is under the tablet. Under the tablet. Now, the mouse is next to the tablet. Next to the tablet. Next to. Under. Next to. Next to. Right. The mouse is in my t-shirt. Look, in. Oh, the mouse. The mouse is in. Look, this is a mouse with a light. Look at the light. Can you see the light? This mouse has a light. Look at the light. Oh, there's a little light here. Look, there's a little light. This mouse has a little light. Yes. Computer mouse in my t-shirt. And the mouse is on the tablet. Yes, tablet, mouse. Where's the mouse? On the tablet. Where's the mouse? Say under the tablet. Where's the mouse? Next to the tablet. Where is the mouse? Where is the mouse? In my shirt. Look. In. Okay, so you remember these prepositions, and we're going to practice these prepositions. Right. And these are the prepositions. So, this is the preposition under. Right, let's talk about it, Teacher Deji. Right. Let's talk about it. So, take a look here. Take a look here. Under. The mouse is under the tablet. The other one is next to. The mouse is next to the tablet. Next to the tablet. Next. So the other one is in. So the mouse is in. Where's the mouse? Where's the mouse? Where is the mouse? Where is the mouse? Right. Next one is the mouse is on. It's on. The mouse is on the tablet. Yes, on the tablet. The mouse is on my head. The mouse is on my shoulder. On. The mouse is on. Beautiful mouse. I like this mouse. It's very helpful. It helps Teacher Deji. This mouse helps everyone. This is a computer mouse. Right. Now, tell me where this is. Tell me where this is. Where is it? Tell me where this is. All this is. Where is it? School? Your house? Teacher Deji, this is the... Say it again. Yes, this is the farm. Right, this is the farm. That's the farm. Remember? Let me show you some animals. Okay, you know these animals. Farm. You say the animals now. Right. We're going to use some of these animals because they are farm animals, right? We're going to use this animal here, dog. We're going to use this animal here, chicken. Going to use the horse. And we're going to use the cat. So let's talk about it and use these prepositions here, the prepositions under, next to, in, and on. You're going to draw. And guys, this is page, let me see, the page. The page is page 9, page 9, 8, 9, 10, okay, 9. So you go to page 9, and you're going to do this with me. So you're going to listen and draw. You're going to draw, right? You're going to draw. So you're going to draw. So you are going to draw. So here we go. So remember, under, on, next to, in. You do it. Under, next to, on, in. Under, next to, on, in. Right? In. So let's go. Now you're going to draw a cat. You're going to draw a cat. The cat is under the tree. The cat is under the tree. So you're going to draw a cat under the tree. What's under the tree? The horse is next to the White House. The horse is next to the White House. Next to the White House. The dog is in the red truck. The dog is in. Remember, in. Okay, in. The dog is in the truck. Guys, this is the truck, right? Let me show you. This is the truck. And the dog is in the truck. Go ahead and draw it. Now, the chicken is on the yellow hay. Guys, this is hay. Yes, this is hay. And that's yellow, so the chicken is on. Chicken is on the yellow hay. The chicken. So, the chicken is on the yellow hay. So let's review. The chicken is on the yellow hay. The dog is in the truck. Remember, this is the truck, the red truck. And the dog is in the truck. Now, and the horse is next to the White House. You know. And the cat is under the tree. You know, you remember all this. I'm pretty sure you're going to do it well. Draw, take your time, do your best. See you next time. See you next time.